Okay, so kung kanina pinakilig tayo ni Felipe and Don Bell with their amazing smile, ngayon mas kikiligin pa tayo sa kanila because we are going to get up close and personal with them. And with that, we now open the floor to our media friends na nandito po ngayon. Alright. So, have a seat sa ating ambassadors. Madam Bell, upo tayo. Okay.
Ba't madam?
Sobrang kanina ma'am, ngayon atin naging madam. Okay. So, ngayon dito tayo sa ating media friends. Alright. Our first question is from our friends from Tribune. Nasaan po si Sir PJ? Sir PJ, kamusta po kayo, Sir PJ? Where is Sir PJ? Hey.
Hi. Hello?
Ayun.
Hola. I'm here.
Okay.
Hello? Okay. Hi.
Ayun. Okay.
Okay. So, first of all, Okay.
Okay, thank you so much sa lahat ng ating fans. Mag-Q&A muna tayo. Okay, madam.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations kay Felipe, of course, kay Donnie and Belle. Congratulations for moving closer. Okay, so first and foremost, my question is, tell us about your partner, Donnie and Belle. Is he or she more of intense red or fresh green kind of person?
For context, Sir Felipe, kasi sa close-up, yung intense red, yun daw yung talagang all-out magmahal. Tapos yung cool green, yun yung parang chill lang, cool lang. So ano daw yung XP mo with Don Bell? Ano kaya yung nakikita mo? Is it intense red or cool green? Tama po?
My question is for Don Bell and also
For Don Bell, okay.
Felipe na
For
rin.
Don Bell muna, okay.
Intense
Intense
red,
red
Or
or,
ba?
cool green.
or cool green.
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, sakto sa suit natin?
Parang both eh.
Both?
Yeah.
So bakit naging both?
Mix ng minsan kailangan,
Being intense and cool at the same time.
oo, ganun.
Yeah. Diba?
Dapat may qualities ka ng both.
Okay. So totoo ba yun, Sir Felipe? Is that true?
Sa napansin ko sa kanila? Or para sa akin ba? Pag ako kasi chill lang ako eh, so I think cool green. Cool green. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much, PJ. And now let's hear it from our friend from ABS-CBN. Nandito po si Sir Josh. Sir Josh?
Hi.
Okay, hi, Sir Josh.
Hi, good afternoon. Question for Don Bell. This is not your first partnership with Close Up. What keeps the two of you coming back to collaborate with the brand?
Collaborating. Yeah, we've done a couple of projects now with Close Up, even projects abroad, diba? I think what we love about the brand is that they always find ways to come up with something new. Like itong ginawa naming music video na to. First time natin gumawa ng music video na, na may choices. Tapos di mo alam kung ano mangyayari.
Yes.
'Di ba? Parang yung audience yung pipili ng next na setup. So, what we love about this partnership, it's always fresh. There's always something new that it has to offer, and we just love the team as well.
Yeah, and for me, I think it's really important that we both endorse a brand we believe in. And me talaga growing up, I really used to use Close Up, and I'm so happy to be able to be part of their family, of course. And closer to everyone here, so yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Josh. Okay, sino po ang may questions for our ambassadors? Andyan po ang ating microphone, I think. We have our friend from Inquirer. Nasaan po si Miss Jessica? Hi, Miss Jessica.
Hi, first of all po, congratulations po to the three of you. My question po for Don Bell. What's the difference po between filming a music video and filming a scene in a movie po?
Wow. Ano?
Parang almost the same, no?
Siguro yung pace lang. pace ng story. Kasi pag movie, di ba, mas longer. Pag music video, talagang every moment counts. So, wow, closer. But yeah, I think that's the difference. But the emotions are there. Siyempre, it has to be authentic and raw.
Tsaka itong music video, parang walang dialogue eh. So you really have to express it through your actions and yung mga emotions na pinapakita. Unlike sa movie, di ba? Ang daming dialogue and you get to hear what the actors are saying. So, same but different.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Jessica. Now let's hear it from our friends from Manila Standard. We have Eccentric. Nasaan po? Ayun. Hello, madam.
Sorry, it's Angelica po. Hello po, from Manila Standard. Hi, Philip and Donda. Congratulations. My question will be for Philip. Okay. Di ba, like, you did a cover for Warner Music's 30th anniversary of Moving Closer. Now that you're an ambassador, how does it feel?
Of course po, this is new to me. Pero yung jazz kasi na type na music is what I listen since I was a kid. So, ayun po, but I'm so, sobrang na-challenge ako kasi first time ko kasi maglabas ng ganitong type of music. And medyo may pagka-sexy siya na vibe. So, I just felt like bagay na bagay talaga siya, lalo na paparating yung Valentine's Day, di ba? So, yeah, I just wanna thank, gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung Close Up for this song din. Binigyan nila ng bagong buhay yung nakaraang version ng Moving Closer. So, yeah.
Thank you, you did a great job.
Thank you, maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Miss Angelica. Thank you so much. And now, si Eccentric. Nasaan po si Eccentric? I think may question po siya for our ambassadors.
Hello, congratulations for the three of you. So this question is for Philip. So this is your first work with Close Up and Don Bell. How was the experience?
Masaya po. Meeting din finally, especially si Belle. Kasi magkakilala na kami ni Donnie dati pa lang eh. So masaya ako and of course, andito rin yung mga fans ng Don Bell. So ayun po, malaki po yung pasasalamat ko sa support nila. And malaki din po pasalamat ko for Don Bell for this event and especially for Close Up, for having me here to be part of the family. So I'm just so happy and yeah.
All right, thank you, Eccentric, and thank you so much to our media friends who never fail to support us at sa Close Up Friends or Fans and hashtag Team Bahay na nanonood. Please don't forget to use our official hashtags, hashtag Choose Fresh, Choose Close Up, hashtag Moving Closer, hashtag Close Up X Don Bell, and hashtag Close Up X Philippe para updated ang ating online friends sa mga kilig moments with Don Bell and Philippe. And syempre, speaking of kilig, once again, handa na ba kayong kiligin